Hello, Crazy Surfer here. Bird's Nest Part 3. In this episode, we start off with this bird just singing away. What a treat. He uses several different inflections, and it is wonderful to listen to. So I am speeding up the film a little bit as promised. Watching the bird shore up the nest is very hard, and I'm going to try and talk very fast only once, but I'm going to keep going until we stop the speed up part. No, I can't do it. I enjoy using the classical music in my videos. One, because if it's free, it's for me. But two, occasionally you get these rare moments where the music and the action sync up perfect, like right here. And anytime there is good singing, I will try and slow it down so we can hear it. They don't sing a lot in the nest, so it is fun. Next, I super slow-mo the next exit out of the nest because it is straight at the camera with the tail feathers brushing. What a great close-up. So using a good memory, this mockingbird comes up out of the nests and starts looking around for something she must have seen on the way in or out. We get a good close-up of her looking. I know it's here somewhere. I know I left it here. Oh, there it is. Heck yeah. Score! Another big piece of the nest going in. And so how do you follow up something as cool as that? Well, heck yeah, you just put that one in place and do it all over again, right back in front of us, getting to see the whole process close up. Man, going all the way for my fans. Never got to imagine I could watch a bird building a nest this close up. Look, selfie! In and out. Working. These mockingbirds are something else. Not sure if I would have figured it out, but again, Shazam! Look at that thing go. I am really starting to enjoy watching this. I filmed and had no clue what I had. So, this is Bird's Nest Part 3. I can't wait to see you for Part 4 and see what they come up with next. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.